Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you this type of brush portrait effect in Photoshop. So I'm using 2022 of the Photoshop, and you can update your Photoshop by using Adobe, or you can update and you can get all the stuffs like me. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Going to the file at first, taking new, taking an artboard 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel, and after that going to the file and open up. From here, here is a PNG or PSD, whatever it is. I'll import the PNG. Before that, I will import a photo from here. Yeah, this is the photo. So I'll use this photo over here. Press Ctrl or Command T, making smaller. Okay, fit with the artboard. So now right press and making it to convert to a smart object. Okay, and now I'll edit this one and I'll add some green effects and other stuffs to it. So going to the filter, and here the camera filter, actually here, and here the saturation I'll make it down, and from here I'll use some effects, which is the green effects a little bit. Yeah, and here color or details I'll give this one. Yeah, that's fine. And from here adding some texture and the clarity a little bit. Yeah, that's fine, and hit OK. So now our photo is like that. Okay, you can use other stuffs like PNG files, as which is really make this one as a brush. So how to make the brush? Going to the file and taking new options. So custom brush, this one, making it transparent, and hit the create button. After that, file and place embedded options. From here is our PNG, and we'll import this one. So this one you can make it brush by using the edit and make the define brush preset. Okay, here. Okay, or you can use it as a PNG. So how to use that as a PNG? Going to the file and place embedded options. From here, using that and making it a little bit bigger like this. Yeah, that's fine. So select this one by pressing Ctrl or Command and selecting that. Okay, that's fine. Turning it off and making it mask. So after making this one mask, you're getting the effect over here. We don't need to use this. So press Ctrl or Command T. You can make this one into like that. Okay, and this image you can making it bigger. Okay, saving this one. It will just save in your directory. Turning it off. Yeah, this one. And you can now use another brush filter. So going to the file and place embedded options. Here is another PNG files, which is another brush, and making use this one a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Right press and here stylize the layer and making it hard or overlay. Okay, that's fine. Now we'll making it like colorize. So going to the solid color and right press and making it clipping mask. Here is a make clipping mask. Now you can change the color from here. So you can change the mood from here. It could be hard light or soft light or color dodge, divide, define, whichever do you want. Hard light, that's good. Soft light or overlay. Okay, I think overlay is good, and you can make this one if you want. You can making it like this. Okay, that's good. So this one, camera filter, again going to over there, and vibrance, I'll provide the vibrance like that and hit OK. So it will make another dimension. Now going to the gradient options. From here you can choose the gradient into the radial and making it reverse. Make this one like that. Yeah, that's fine. So here you can have another way to use that. You can making it like multiply. This is as simple as I just given over here. PNG images, lots of images PNG you can find of. So this one could be this one. So any kind of watercolor brushes you can find over here. This one, so you can use them. So here, this one, whichever do you like, this one. I just given the demo to you how to make this one. So before that, if you want to change the photo, you can do that. Here is smart object, double press over here, going to the file, place embedded, and I had some photos, this. So let's see, you have to make it bigger just because of the fit, and it's saving here. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.